Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to swap Polygon to Solana on Phantom Wallet. Alright, so let's begin with the video. So the first thing that you want to do is open up the Phantom Wallet app on your mobile, and make sure it is updated to the latest version available. After that, sign into your account, and you will be redirected to this page. Over here, select the Solana coin, and on the next page you have to tap on Swap option. Now, in the You Pay section, select the coin that you want swap. In our case, it is Polygon, as I don't have any amount in my wallet, that's why it is not showing any token, but you will be able to see it if you have any balance. Then similarly, in the You Receive section, select the coin in which you want to swap. In our case, it is Solana. After that, you have to just follow some on-screen instructions, and your coin or token will be swapped. So that's basically how you can swap Polygon to Solana on Phantom Wallet. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.